Leos, Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for the month of April 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks that we have here. This is a butterfly oracle deck which I will dive into to conclude your reading. And this is a love oracle deck right before you. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April, we have the Lover's card. Quite likely there was a choice, whether in personal matters or with respect to your professional life. Communication had also brought in gains for Leos in this period. Perhaps you may have bagged a deal. Incidentally, there was also those second thoughts that you were dealing with. Maybe you may have thought that you should have quoted a higher price for your services. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that April is going to present before you is the Hermit card. Surely, Leos, you'll be in a reflective mode. Possibly there could be disagreements with family members. Ideally, I think you should maintain harmony by taking a backseat. It would be prudent to not meddle in other people's affairs. Work could also increase this month. Maybe you feel as though you're being saddled with more and more. You may also be a bit perturbed because you feel that your progress that you're making is at a snail's pace. Surely it's a time for new beginnings, but then whatever you're grappling with or whatever you're dealing with may not move forward the way you would have liked. Leos, you're also being called upon to take offers that come your way with a pinch of salt. There'll be delays, no doubt. Maybe malfunctioning gadgets or maybe technical issues could also bother you this month. Influences for the month, we have the Knight of Pentacles. This is a slow-moving energy, Leos. Certainly the status quo is going to be maintained. Possibly you're somebody who doesn't like the scrutiny that is going to be there at the workplace. That is why you may want to start the task ahead or before the superior arrives. But this is not going to be overlooked by the superior. In fact, your superior could point it out that you're taking matters into your own hands. Ideally, I think, Leos, you should also make allowances for other people. This is also the month when you will be very spiritually inclined. Maybe there'll be messages that you're getting or receiving from the universe. The first 10 days of April, we have the Six of Swords energy. Certainly, this energy means that you will have to be up and about. Perhaps at the 11th hour, everything will fall in place. Initially, you may have thought that nothing will work out or your plans may be foiled, but then in the end everything will fit beautifully together. Many of you may also be making those travel plans or you may be commuting great distances. I think the energy is such that you will be able to complete a great deal of work. Ideally, I think, Leos, you should also avoid being critical in this period. Some of you may also find yourself being accused of being self-centered, but a colleague or maybe a junior is going to defend you. While dealing with clients also, you should get the advance or you should get the cash in hand. Maybe because there are clients who could try to fleece you or they could be very stingy when it comes to making those payments. That is why I think you should avoid those circumstances. You will also be perturbed this month because as a boss, you may find that the administration could want to increase the workload of your colleagues or your juniors. By the way, you may also find that your rival could instigate colleagues against you. So be mindful of those circumstances and situations this month. Again, between 11th to 20th April, we have the Ace of Wands. This is this energy which is forcing you to be up and about. Ideally, I think you should not procrastinate. Incidentally, work could come up suddenly or tasks could come out suddenly and you will have to attend to them. You will also get the support of your loved ones or your acquaintances as you carry on with the task. Official paperwork is also quite likely in this month. Incidentally, Leos, you could be surprised because government officials or those whom you are dealing with will go out of the way to oblige you. While working, I think you should also review your work. Sometimes you may also find that your views are being ignored by the management or the administration. Maybe they have singled a person out whom you dislike to be in charge and you are going to put forth your reservations. In these days, you may also find that estranged friends may inquire about you. Maybe you will come to know about the same through a third person. By the way, you could also have visitors and guests, but then you may not be warmly disposed towards them. Towards the final days, that is towards 21st to 30th April, we have the card Strength. Leos, this is your energy. Certainly, you're going to feel in control of situation. Minor irritants are quite likely in this period, but then there are also surprises and gains to be made. Your dues will also come in. Largely, I think you're somebody who will weigh the pros and cons before moving forward, and this will earn you plaudits. Also, I think, Leos, it is time to let go of those people whom you no longer need in your life. I think the stress or the work pressure is going to increase this month, but you will be able to get a lot of things done. Some of you could also be recognized for your contributions toward the workplace. Maybe you don't want to blow your own trumpet. That is why your juniors could talk about your achievements and make everybody aware of it. With respect to your love life, we have the card Settling. You'll definitely find your admirer going all out to woo you. Perhaps he thinks that you should accept his proposal. Maybe he thinks that time will slip away, but then you're not going to encourage him. It's quite likely that you're going to put limitations on yourself, even though you feel a deep connection with this person. On the other hand, those who are crushing on someone, I think you will fancy your chances. Maybe you think that it is time to connect with this person and let him know about your feelings. Incidentally, Leos, I think you shouldn't expect too much. Perhaps this person suffers from commitment phobia, or he has his responsibilities towards his family. That is why maybe you will feel that a decision has been made and it's time to let go. Maybe you will settle down to this idea of staying single. In case you're in an unhappy connection, I think you will realize it's time to move on. Maybe it's an unhealthy relationship and you think that this person is never going to mend his ways or he will continue to be unfaithful. That is why you realize it is done and dusted. Incidentally, for many Leos, I'm also picking up that an ex-flame could also approach you with a work offer, but maybe you have a very professional attitude towards him. Maybe you don't want him to get ideas that you're interested in him. Romancing Leos, you may find that your person and you could exchange snaps this month. Sometimes you may feel that your person is not very demonstrative or that he is closed off. Nonetheless, there will also be those days when you will be discussing work. Maybe you could also discuss your past or your childhood. I think you are in a very settled and comfortable position with respect to your love life in case you are romancing. By the way, some Leos, you should also be mindful of the fact that someone could talk about your secret relationship. Although you yourself want to discuss it with your parents or your family elders, but then you think it's not time yet or you don't want the third person to talk about it. That is why there could be some anxious moments in your love life. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you're dealing with a person who's quite demanding. Sometimes your spouse could also say something which is unpalatable. Maybe he could reduce you to tears. I think the health of a loved one could also be an issue here, come up in your discussions. At times, as a husband, you could overrule your wife's decisions. Maybe she has plans to travel or to meet her acquaintances or relatives, but you could pour water on those plans. Last card in this reading is Courage from the Butterfly Oracle deck. I think Leos, you're being called upon to take that chance or to move forward. Perhaps you have learned lessons in the past. You may fear the unknown, but then you have to understand that you're following your instinct. Surely you do have the courage to make that change. Ideally, this month, Leos, you should be more assertive. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to take the bull by the horns. Perhaps you're also recognizing the leadership abilities that you have, which are lying nascent within you. I hope, Leos, you liked our reading This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.